Dive into the chilling world of Ghana's royal traditions as we explore the significant yet feared role of Asi-kanfo or Asikanfo, known as the protectors of Asantehemaa. While also related to the Asantehene and known as knife-bearers, the Asikanfo are not considered executioners or Abrarfour but rather protectors of the Asantehemaa, the Asante Queen. Once an integral part of the Akan people's society, these Asikanfo were tasked with carrying out punishments, symbolizing both the power of the monarchy and the weight of justice. Their presence has evolved from medieval rituals involving human heads to modern-day law enforcement roles during royal events. Witness the dramatic moments during royal burials that leave the public in surprise and fear. In Akan chieftaincy, particularly within the Asante Kingdom of Ghana, the Asikanfo are generally understood to be the Queen's guards or palace guards, and their role is indeed to protect the Queen and the royal family. According to some sources, the term Asikanfo refers to those who stay at home or do not go anywhere, signifying their constant presence and dedication to guarding the palace. They are responsible for the overall security and protection of the royals and the palace. Historically, the Asantehemaa, the queen of the Ashanti people, had a palace guard whose duty it was to protect her and the royal family. So yes, the role of the Asikanfo in the palace is to protect the queen, and by extension, the royal family. Join us on a fascinating journey through history, culture, and tradition in the Asante or Ashanti Kingdom. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like this video, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our exciting content. Your support means the world to us.